much time to spare, but I make time for you to show how much I care. Wish that I would let you break my walls, but I'm still spinning out of control from the fall. Boy, you give good love, I won't lie. It's what keeps me coming back, even though I'm terrified. I know that it's wrong, but I want to have fun. Yeah, yeah. I know that it's wrong, but I want to have fun. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Out of all the people in the world, what is the likelihood of jumping out of my life and into your arms? Maybe, baby, I'm just losing my mind, 'cause this is trouble, but it feels right. Keeping on the edge of heaven and hell is a battle that I cannot fight. I'm a fool, but they all think I'm blind. I'd rather be a fool than leave myself behind. I don't have to explain myself to you. I'm a grown woman and I do what I want to do. I know that it's wrong, but I want to have fun. Yeah, yeah. I know that it's wrong, but I want to have fun. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Out of all the people in the world, what is the likelihood of jumping out of my life and into your arms? Maybe, baby, I'm just losing my mind, 'cause this is trouble, but it feels right. Keeping on the edge of heaven and hell is a battle that I cannot fight. Lord, don't let me, I said, Lord, don't let me, I said, Lord, don't let me down. Oh Lord, don't let me let myself down. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Out of all the people in the world, what is the likelihood of jumping out of my life and into your arms? Maybe, baby, I'm just losing my mind, 'cause this is trouble, but it feels right. Keeping on the edge of heaven and hell, well, it's a battle that I cannot fight. I know that it's wrong, but I want to have fun. Yeah, yeah. I know that it's wrong, but I want to have fun. Yeah, yeah.
Good. Hey. They ain't so good to fuck with me if they wanted to. Goddamn. Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money moves. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party, I'm there, I get paid a fee. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who in front of me. Dropped 2 mixtapes in 6 months. What bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes. Don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake. He wanna swim with his face. I'm like, okay. I let him get what he want. He buy me East Saint Laurent and the new whip. When it go fast as a horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me. They baby father wanna bill. Say little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money moves. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way. You can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand above my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch play her role. I just a rope and no rolls. I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of they niggas is safe. I go to dinner and steak. Only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace. Now it's a crib with a gate. Rolly got charms and like frosted flakes. Hard to let these bitches know. Just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check the mail. Another check from all the stocks. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money moves. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Bloody moves, bloody moves, bloody moves, bloody moves, just wanna break up all your shit. Call your mama phone, let her know that she raised a bitch. Then dial tone click. And fucking little fake ass friends coming around acting like they my bros. I seen y'all little group text where y'all all like to brag about your hoes. And you can tell your little bitch I screenshotted all her naked pics. Or you wanna send news to my man. Wake up and see your boobs on the gram. Little bitch, I cannot stand you, right hand to Jesus. I might just cut off the tongues out your sneakers. Snatch the TV from Best Buy. You gon' turn me in the left eye. I don't wanna hear about invasion of privacy. I had a feeling, it turns out you lied to me. I'm holding back everything that's inside of me. How you all fucking with bitches that follow me?
My heart is beating like it's bleeding now. I'm sleeping like a baby. Everyone was right about you now. I went to your phone last night. I went to your phone last night. Saw some things I didn't like. I went to your phone last night. It's killing me, killing me, killing me out.
All I can see is you and her in different scenarios. Beyonce on my stereo, resentment on repeat. I'ma make a bowl of cereal with a teaspoon of bleach. Serve it to you like here you go, nigga, bon appetit. Look, do you give it to her raw? You love her or not? You risk your home for a hoe from the bar? You really want them hoes? You can have them bitches. You don't even cheat with no bad bitches. This shit is eating me. You sleeping peacefully, getting more mad at you, thinking about stabbing you. Don't even know that you this close to dying. You gon' wake up like why you got an attitude?
My heart is beating like it's bleeding now. I'm sleeping like a baby. Everyone was right about you now. I went to your phone last night. night. Saw some things I didn't like. I went through your phone last night. It's killing me, killing me, killing me. Oh, it's killing me. It's killing me, killing me, killing me. Oh, it's killing me. It's killing me, killing me, killing me. Oh, it's killing me. It's killing me, killing me, killing me. Oh, it's killing me. I went through your phone last night. I went through your phone last night. Saw some things I didn't like. I went through your phone last night. It's killing me, killing me, killing me. Oh.
We're so late nights, red eyes, amnesia on us. Late nights, red eyes, amnesia. I need you. Right now I can't see straight, intoxicated, it's true. When I'm with you, I'm buzzing and I feel laced. I'm coming from a different phase. When I'm with you,
another way now, like we're supposed to do. Take it to the back now, I take a shot for you.
wasted every night, gone for every song, faded every night, dancing all night long. Drunk all summer, drunk all summer. We've been drunk all summer, drinking and floating and rolling and falling down. So late nights, red eyes, amnesia, I need you. Right now I'm emotional, I lose control when I'm with you. I hope I haven't said too much, guess I always push my luck when I'm with you.
Another way now, like we're supposed to do. Take it to the back now, I take a shot for you.
Wasted every night, gone for every song, faded every night, dancing all night long. Drunk all summer, drunk all summer. We've been drunk all summer, drinking and floating, rolling and falling down. So late nights, red eyes, amnesia, all nights, late nights, red eyes, amnesia, I need you, baby. Drunk, 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 round, 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 round.
Drunk all summer, drunk all summer. It's going around, yeah.
I was supposed to be sent away, but they forgot to come and get me. I was a functioning alcoholic till nobody noticed my new aesthetic. All of this to say, I hope you're okay, but you're the reason. And no
Watch the shore from all the way. Rest assured the minor features teach us all to learn care. I ain't living like you, and I never liked you, and you never liked me, 'cause I never had you. The same. Don't think we gain a thing from this. I'm changing my ways. Won't meet you halfway. It's all just a game. No one is to blame. Falling again in and out of this place. Make an excuse, get me out of this place. I know the mistakes, I won't make them again. I ain't living like you, and I never liked you, and you never liked me, 'cause I never had you. Don't wanna bore you with the pain. In truth, we both need it more than what we gave.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done, but when I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore.
I hear the rhythm of waves hitting on the shore, and I can swear they're speaking, speaking, speaking. They're telling me to relax, I'm not good at that, but now I know I need it, need it, need it. I said, ooh, now what you do? My tan lines tell the truth. I said, yeah, I'm Venice Beach, got sand all in my shoes. Tonight, ooh, unlock me loose, see the sunset from the roof. That's right, yeah, that crystal blue, and I came out someone new. Hey, 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 and in my soul I'm feeling, and I'm trying to keep it cool. Way up here in my soul I'm feeling, and I found a piece of me that I never knew.
You got my heart and I'm head over heels in love in California, dreaming, 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 yeah. Touching the stars and then dragging them down to earth like California, feeling, feeling, feeling. Oh, now what you do? Your brown eyes tell the truth. Yeah, down on the beach, I'm staying out late for you. Oh, unlock your loose, see the sunset from the roof. Yeah, you got to me, and I came out someone new. Hey, yeah, and in my summer feelings, and I'm trying to keep it cool. Way up here in my summer feelings, and I found a piece of me that I never knew.
I'm melting like ice cream. The stress is gone for me. Nowhere I'd rather be.
Hey, yeah, and in my summer feelings, and I'm trying to keep it cool.
Way up here in my soul I'm feeling, and I found a piece of me that I never knew.
Hey, yeah, and in my summer feelings, and I'm
I remember all of the things that I thought I wanted it to be. So desperate to find a way out of my world and finally breathe. Right before my eyes I saw my heart, it came to life. This ain't easy, it's not meant to be. Every story has its scars, but when the pain cuts you deep, and when the night keeps you from sleeping, just look and you will see that I will be your remedy. When the world seems so cruel and your heart makes you feel like a fool, I promise you will see that I will be your remedy. No river is too wide or too deep for me to swim to you. Come whatever, I'll be the shelter that won't let the rain come through. Your love, it is my truth, and I will always love you. Love you. When the pain cuts you deep, and when the night keeps you from sleeping, just look and you will see that I will be your remedy. When the world seems so cruel and your heart makes you feel like a fool, I promise you will see that I will be your remedy. When the pain cuts you deep, when the night keeps you from sleeping, just look and you will see I will be. When the world seems so cruel and your heart makes you feel like a fool, I promise you will see that I will be your remedy.
London.
Another banger. Gunshot, bomb shot, yeah. Killing me, Y'all always put me for a headlock, yeah. Killing me, fuck you. Now she got in my wahala. Now she got in my wahala. She want my dish in the pitica. I'm Tony Montana. She go solo when the bullet for my color. Gunshot, bomb shot, yeah. Y'all always put me for a headlock, yeah. For a headlock, yeah. Give me ash, chocolate, one talk, it be like say you no Nisha.
I cried enough tears to see my own reflection in them, and then it was clear I can't deny I really miss it. To think that I was wrong, I guess you don't know what you got till it's gone. Pain is just a consequence of love. I'm saying sorry for the sake of us. You wasn't my everything till we were nothing, and it's taken me a lot to say, but now that it's gone, my heart is missing something. So it's time I push my pride away, 'cause you are my everything. You are my everything. I know you're not far, but I still can't handle all the distance. You're traveling with my heart. I hope this is a temporary feeling, 'cause it's too much to bear without you, and I know sorry ain't the cure. If I cross your mind, just know I'm yours, 'cause what we got is worth fighting for. 'Cause you were my everything till we were nothing, and it's taking me a lot to say. Now that you're gone, my heart is missing something. So time I push my pride away. You are my everything. You are my everything. Train wreck. I don't wanna be too much, but I don't wanna miss your touch. You don't seem to give a fuck. I don't wanna keep you waiting, but I do just what I have to do. And I might not be the one for you, but you ain't allowed to have no clue. 'Cause I know we be so complicated, but we be so smitten, it's crazy. I can't have what I want, but neither can you. But you don't want me to say nobody else, and I don't want you to say no.
shove. Damn, baby, I'm a train wreck too. I lose my mind when it comes to you. I take time with the ones I choose, and I don't wanna smile if it ain't from you, yeah. I know we be so complicated. Loving you sometimes drive me crazy, cause I can't have what I want, and neither can you.
You ain't my boyfriend, and I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to say nobody else, and I don't want you to say nobody. But you ain't my boyfriend, and I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to touch nobody else, and tell nobody.
I wanna kiss you, don't wanna miss you, but I can't be with you, cause I got issues. Yeah, on the surface, seem like it's easy. Careful with words, but it's still hard to read me. Stress high when the trust low. Bad vibes with the fun go. Try to open up and love more. Try to open up and love more.
You are my boyfriend,
and you are my girlfriend. I probably wouldn't see nobody else, but I can guarantee that by myself.
you ain't my boyfriend, I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to say nobody else, and I don't want you to say nobody. But you ain't my boyfriend, and I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to touch nobody else, and tell nobody. You ain't my boyfriend, I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to say nobody else, and I don't want you to say nobody. But you ain't my boyfriend, I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to touch nobody else, and tell nobody.
When someone you love gets left behind, suddenly taken before their time, the flowers we lay swept up in the cold, and now there's someone you used to know. Oh, I thought I'd come to terms with it, but I'm lying to myself again, just trying to find some answers. I wish we could have saved you, I wish we could have helped you understand. Nobody would have blamed you. I wish you would have held on for a hand. Pray to God you would have reached out and given us a chance to change your mind. No one leaves us at the right time. I wish you knew you had a lifeline. I wish you knew you had a lifeline. I wish you knew you had a lifeline. Questions with answers we can't find. That's why it's harder to say goodbye. If I would've called, just picked up the phone, would you still be someone I used to know? Oh, I can't sleep, still ruminating. Breaks my heart that I can't change it. Just trying to find some answers. I wish we could have saved you. I wish we could have helped you understand. Nobody would have blamed you. I wish you would have held on for a hand. Pray to God you would have reached out and given us a chance to change your mind. No one leaves us at the right time. I wish you knew you had a lifeline. 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 Before you left without a goodbye, I wish you knew you had a lifeline.
Ziggy X, the got one more problem with you, girl. Hey.
Hey baby, even though I hate you, I wanna love you. I want you. And even though I can't forget you, I really want to. I want you. Tell me, baby, why can't you leave me? 'Cause even though I shouldn't want it, I gotta have it. I want you. Heaven, like a love, got no weight on my shoulder. I should be wiser and realize that I've got
one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you.
I got one less problem.
One less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you.
I got one less problem. I know you're never gonna wake up. I gotta give up, but it's you. I know I should never call back. I let you come back, but it's you. Every time you touch me and say you love me, I get a little bit breathless. I should've known it, but it's you. Heaven, a glove, got no weight on my shoulder. I should be wiser and realize that I've got
One less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you.
I got one less problem.
One less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you.
Ziggy X. What you got? Small money, and I'll be better off without you. In no time, I'll be forgetting all about you. You saying that you know, but I really, really doubt you. Understand, my life is easy when I ain't around you. Iggy, too biggie to be his present. I'm thinking I love the thought of you more than I love your presence. And the best thing now is probably for you to exit. I let you go, let you back. I finally learned my lesson. No head stepping either, you wanted it, you just playing. I'm listening to you knowing I can't believe what you're saying. It's a million you, baby boo, so don't be dumb. I got 99 problems, but you won't be one. Like what?